As you can see, I have two switches. One of them is new and one of them is old. I want to replace this old switch. As you can see how dirty it is. Okay, it's a rental property, so what I want to do, I want to actually put new switches. This switch costs 57 cents, so to clean it, it will take me more money instead of replacing it. So I just want to show you a quick way how to replace a switch, single switch like that, in probably less than a minute, okay? So as you can see, the master bedroom is 16 here, okay? So the first thing you have to do is connect the power to the switch. Second thing is just to removing the switch from the box. So I want to show you what's happening here. So if you look at the switch, you can see the ground connected here on the top to the green screw, and if I flip it here, you will see two wires. One of them are black, but the bottom is really the hard that coming here, and it's shorted. When you turn on the switch, you take the current and move it to this wire, okay? This wire going to the light, so you actually close the circuit. So what I want to show you how I'm going to replace it very quickly. If I flip the switch toward me here, what you will see two wires going inside to a hole, small hole here. What I have to do now, I have to pull this wire using a plier. Instead of cutting them, I'm just going to pull them. It's going to be a little bit difficult, but you can actually do it. That's the best way to do it, actually, to just try to pull the wire out of this hole, both of them. And you have to remember where is the bottom, because that is the bottom and that is the top. Just remember it. So I'm using a plier and I try to pull it out of the wire. And you have to apply a little bit of power here, because this wire was many years inside. As you can see, this one, it's already out. And remember, this one, the bottom was, let me see, it was the bottom. So I put it here to remember that that's what is the bottom one, okay? And here's the second one. Same thing, I'm going to pull it. Okay, I don't want to confuse, that's the bottom and that's the top. Okay, and the ground is going to be very easy to remove. Just want to straighten it here. So now I'm taking a new switch, okay? And that's the bottom, because you can see the off and on, okay? And the ground should be on the top. That's the standard here, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this wire, it should be in the bottom, and just push it inside this hole. That's it. The second one, I'm going to push in the top hole. Just push it. That's it. And now, what I have to do now is just to connect the ground here, as you can see. Okay, I'm taking the ground and I'm a bit difficult here. The best is to use that's it. So what left now, as you can see, everything is connected. Just to push it in and you push it in. Okay, so I use my finger to push it. These screws have to be in the center exactly. Okay, here I need to close it a little bit more. Now okay, this is the ground, so I can push it in. See the ground? It needs to be exposed. Just push it in. So now before we're actually going to put the cover, what we have to do is to turn on the light and to see if it's working properly. So I connect the power to the switch. That's the first one. And then the second one, as you can see here, disconnecting the power. So that's it. It took exactly 2 minutes to do it. So what have to be done is just to connect, to put the cover here. So I already put 2 screws here, as you can see. And that is the last 2 screws. That's it. Finito.